Well, the black one wasn't working. I don't know when it shut off. May not have recorded any of my hike up the Blue Trail. But look at this. That's west towards Knoxville. That's north. And there's east. There's more trail. I'm going to go more trail. See if I can see more. Look at these rocks. Somebody's camped out down there. Left a t-shirt. Souvenir. There's probably a trail. Sorry about how quick I did that. Probably a trail down through there. Okay. It's still recording. So, and the battery's all green, so it hasn't recorded much. So let's go back a little ways. There's the trail. There you go. Whew. Ain't that something? Since the camera's running, it's Friday, October 19th, 2018. We did not come up that trail. We came up that one. We're on the east part of the Ridge Trail towards the Ridge Overlook, East Ridge Overlook. So let's go this way. October 19th, 2018. I'm 68 years old now. Still on the trails, still making discoveries to me. Viewing Tennessee, my home state now. Squirrel. I've seen 3 chipmunks up here already. 2 on the Blue Trail, 1 on this trail, the Red Trail. Looks like that trail stops back there. So I don't know if that's where everybody stops or happy to be that far. But this trail continues on, so I'm going to continue on. Because I didn't see east. And maybe you never see east. Don't know. I ran through I went like a mile and a half, then all of a sudden I hit a spider web. Just irritated the hooey out of me. So I may have ended up being the first one down this trail, or the spider got energetic and replaced. Oh, here we go. Look at that. And that tree's bumped right up against it right there. Let's get some photos of that. They're saying I've gone 2 miles so far. Okay. We're on a ridge line up here. Get some pictures. There we go. Let's see what's on the other side of this big old rock. The Rockamama. The blue trail was like the jump off after you get off the boulevard on the AT in the Smoky Mountains. It was just kick-ass horrible. I don't think you're going to see much there. There's the trail we're coming in. I would say from the looks of it, from what I'm seeing, this trail is basically coming to an end, especially for me. You can see it goes around a little bit, and it does, and it jumps down and goes down into there. But I think I've seen all I need to see, gone as far as I need to go. Happy camper as I am.